All I dream of is your eyes. All I long for is your touch. And darling, something tells me you're enough. You can say that I'm a fool and I don't know very much, but I think they call this love.
Yeah. Montana is around in Jomtien today. And one thing, that is fantastic, man. When you want to be alone on the beach, only a few people around you, right place. What do you think? We're not in Miami. We're not in Sahara. We're still in...
Welcome to Jomtien Beach in Pattaya, and let's explore its wonderful places together. Pattaya Jomtien Beach is located approximately 165 kilometers southeast of Bangkok in Chonburi province. Pattaya Jomtien Beach is a resort and beach located in the Kingdom of Thailand on the eastern coast of the Gulf of Thailand. The beach is very suitable for those who love surfing, sailing and other sea sports. The emerald green sea and golden sand strip are also highlights of Jomtien. At Pattaya Jomtien Beach, you can hire sunbeds and umbrellas, and there are several activities for hire, including jet skis and paddle boards. Trees and coconut palms grow along Jomtien Beach. There are free parking lots right at the entrance to the beach and along the road. Jomtien Pattaya is one of the most visited tourist centers in Thailand, with more than 5 million visitors a year.
So today is walking day, but all that you see here now, this is the fisher boat that coming up, and then the woman is selling all the fish here, you know, and there's many kinds of fish. Really nice. Aloy magma. Fish up. Oi, de er busy, man. Here's many. This long time ago I see that. Wow. And good I not stay there. I didn't get water in my body or. But here you see, he working. I think he's coming up maybe 5-6 o'clock here. Really nice. See this one. And it's only coming up from the sea. Opened for some hours ago. And he eating down there. This is a different life. This is very nice. Oh, hello, Magma. This looks nice. A little bit mix. Many kinds of fish here, you know. Ah, very nice. Look, this ones. And here, for small snacks. Oh, this one 100. It's not a bad price. It's 20 Danish crowns, 2.5 euro. And here you can scan. You can scan a fish. Good one. Have a nice day. Bye bye. Oh.
100 1 kilo.
Welcome to Terminal 21. Join us on a stroll through this unique shopping center in Pattaya, where every floor and corner is meticulously designed to resemble an airport terminal.
Arrête, allez, on retourne à l'hôtel.
What is this? I want of those. Other rabbit. Wow, that plane.
There's a girl over there. There's a girl shooting video.
What? Who's controlling with it?
There's a shawarma.
Wait, there's the giraffe. And it's going around this. Whoa, look at that red shrimp. How's the bus? Oh, there's the shrimp. Who's controlling with it? I think it's going by itself. Wow, I think it's going to space.
Immerse yourself in the charm and culture of different countries as you explore the theme zones dedicated to France, England, Italy, Japan, and the United States. Take a leisurely walk along the cozy streets of Paris, indulge in tea and English ambience, taste the flavors of Italian cuisine, feel the energy of Tokyo, and experience the spirit of iconic American cities. Terminal 21 is your passport to a world of global shopping, all under one roof. Join us as we discover the sights, sounds, and flavors of these incredible places right in the heart of a shopping paradise.
Attention please. The car owner of Black Ford, registration number 5771 from Rio. Please go back to your car. The car owner of Black Ford, registration number 5771 from Rio.
Так, так, нам куда-нибудь.